Radio, powered by the Sound of the Mobile 92 Zoo. Most people right there from the band Dawes. Now, they're pulling double duty these days. They are here at the festival, but also, I was just talking to the guys from Desert Noises who are here on the bus with us, and they were mentioning, too, the fact that Connor Oberst was using, was working together with them on his new solo project. Well, I guess you can't really call it solo project if you got all of those people in there. But nonetheless, joined right now by Desert Noises, and that would be Kyle. We don't have Pat here. We got Kyle, Brennan, and Tyler. Now, you're actually related to the Osmonds, aren't you?
Yeah, for sure.
Right on.
My daddy.
All right, yeah. Gene gave me the heads up on that one, right on. Now, you guys are out of Utah. Yeah, that's cool, man. Are you guys tight?
Oh, yeah.
You still hang out a lot now?
Yeah, I mean, we're never home, but when we're home, all of us live with our parents.
Okay, my mistake. For some reason, I thought that was your own aunt and uncle.
Oh, that's Donnie Marie. That's my dad's little brother and sister.
Roger.
So,
okay, it's all coming back to me now. Okay, so Kyle, Tyler, and Brennan here from Desert Noises. We're going to actually bring you a live performance from them, and then we'll talk a little bit more with the guys from the band. What are you guys going to play for us?
We're going to play a song called What the World Made.
Right on. Is this on the new album?
This is on the new album, yeah. It just came out like a month and a half ago.
Tell people what it's called.
It's called 27 Ways.
All right. Desert Noises, live from the Zoo Lounge on Hangout Radio.
World made was a sharp pain, like a dust taste. If only we could tear away the old pain, make it all blank. Would your heart sing louder than the rhythm of your soul? Move along, get lost, lose God. Man, I really lost it. Fountain at the moment, I was jumping in for change to make a living. He's screaming, can't believe it. Man, he's gotta be a little slow. Move along, get lost, lose God. Heard there's this streamline. Book on taping, keep the old pain. I could cover you always, and I might escape, but won't mean nothing if we take some blame. We could throw this pain on the wall, find out where we belong. Know you got your reasons, seasons. Please, Jeff, I don't wanna pick up all the pieces. When your head spins, do you listen? Then you gotta have some soul. Move along, get lost, lose God. Heard there's this streamline, book on taping. Keep the old pain. I could cover you always, and I might escape, but won't mean nothing if we take some blame. We could throw this pain on the wall, find out where we belong. It's what the world made. It's what the world made. Hey, what the world made. Oh, what it made. It's what the world made.
All right. right, thanks a lot, guys. There you go. Desert Noises live from the Zoo Lounge here at beautiful Gulf Shores for Hangout Music Fest. This is Hangout Radio, powered by the Soundmobile 92 Zoo, and we are joined by actually 3/4 of the band Desert Noises: Kyle Henderson, Tyler Osmond. Patrick Boyer, unfortunately, is not here with us right now, but will be performing with them, and definitely hope his sweetheart gets to feeling better too.
Yeah.
We certainly appreciate you guys. You're going to play another one for us here in just a second, but it seems like so much music. Utah just seems to be sort of a burgeoning music scene over the last 10, 15 years. Neon Trees, Imagine Dragons, Dallin Weeks, he had, I guess, a band there, and then, started doing the work with Panic at the Disco and stuff. So, I mean, were you just inundated with it from the time you were, young? Did you know you were going to get into music?
I think a lot of it has to do with like growing up in church, at least for me, like I was always singing and playing, and like for family get-togethers and stuff, like the activity would be singing around the piano,
Right on.
So I think music just kind of like flowed into your bloodstream really early on.
Cool, man. Alan Stone was on here yesterday talking to us for a little bit, and he said the same thing, that, man, he grew up in the church, and whatever his feelings are now, he took so much from it, ethically, morally, musically, tons of other stuff, so that's interesting to say that.
Yeah.
Do appreciate you guys sharing a little bit of information with us. Now, you guys are going to be at Bonnaroo also later on this year, right?
Yeah.
All right, well, you guys are festival bound.
Bonnaroo, Lollapalooza.
Do you like when it's just a single bill, or do you like these big gatherings or whatever? Is this
These
just one
gatherings
off?
are amazing, man. It's like you get to meet people that you would never have met in your whole life, And you get to like hang out,
And they're all in bikinis, too.
and they're all in bikinis.
It's awful.
It's awful.
It's terrible.
It's
Well,
horrible.
yeah, I know, sir. Brendan finally pipes in. Is that it? Did you want anything to throw in there?
That's it.
Well, you guys want to play us one more?
Sure, man.
What song are you going to play for us next?
The song's called Wild Dreams.
All right, you are listening to Desert Noises live from the Zoo Lounge.
Place outside where I pass to waste my time in the shadow. Oh, the dark you'll find behind sleepless eyes. There's a woman tasting my sweet. Love like defeat can be so cruel. It can fill you for a while. You're a lamb with fangs, girl dressed like crimson flames, so they see it. You like a bed burn, they never let you try just to feel it. Tasting my sweet. Love like defeat can be so cruel. It can fill you full of wild dreams. Back of your knees. Can you bend them for me, please? I can teach you for a while. Dress so plain, I put my head in a frame and pay just the words I scream. Wrapped up in a pretty string, I leave a prize at the heels of your feet. tasting my sweet. Love like to be can be so cruel. It can fill you full of wild dreams. Back of your knees, darling. Can you bend them for me, please? I can need you for a while.
I didn't see that coming at the end. I gotta tell you that. I'm digging it though. You are live from the Zoo Lounge with Desert Noises joining us today. They are going to be performing this afternoon. What time?
Oh, we just
We
performed.
played at 11:45.
Oh man. Well, you're not going to be able to hear them, but at least you got to hear them here on the Zoo Lounge. All right. Well, we definitely appreciate you guys coming by. It's always nice meeting new bands and seeing some of the guys coming up. One more thing before
Thanks
you
for having
roll.
us, man.
I saw a thing where you guys were quoting as like your influence Tom Petty, Fleetwood Mac, and then Tame Impala. And at first, I was like, what? And then I went back and started listening to it, and there is so much different stuff in there. I mean, who would you say is your favorite singer?
Stevie Nicks.
Stevie Nicks. Is that where the Fleetwood Mac thing comes in?
Yeah,
then?
dude.
'Cause I think it
She's
was a
the
quote of
most.
yours.
She is the woman.
Yeah, she is a heck of a singer.
Yeah.
That's one of those things where at least you can put aside the personal stuff.
Yeah.
She's awesome on stage. Right on. Well, good. It was great making y'all's acquaintance. Appreciate you swinging
Thanks
by.
for having
and,
us, man.
Thanks for
It's
having
good to
us.
be here, man.
It's
Right
been
on.
really cool.
Tim and Leanne will see you at Bonnaroo. See you at Bonnaroo, too.
All right.
Stay tuned for more cool stuff here at Hangout Radio, powered by the Soundmobile 92.